We often think of remedies that have no side effects, and we've also heard that prevention is better than cure, right? So in today's segment, I have ginger from which I'm going to be making candies. So let's see the recipe for ginger candies. Today's episode, I'm going to be dividing it into 4 parts: peeling and slicing, boiling, crystallizing, and storage and uses. So now let's start with peeling first. Scrape the skin out of the ginger. This one is peeled. Make sure that you do not use the young ginger for this recipe. This is done. Just rinse them once before slicing. You can even use a slicer to slice these ginger. This is the thickness of the slices that I need. I've sliced up 250 grams of ginger. Moving on to our second segment, which is boiling. So I have a pot of water boiling here, into which I'm going to add in some lemon juice and salt. Add in the sliced gingers. Give this a stir. Reduce the flame, cover, and let this boil for 30 minutes. 30 minutes are up. I'm sure the ginger slices are nicely cooked. Turn off the flame, and now I'm going to drain out all the water. The ginger water can be used for making some green tea or some herbal tea, so don't get rid of it. Moving on to the next process, that is crystallization. For that, take a heavy bottom pan and now add in the ginger slices. Add in 150 grams of castor sugar. After adding the castor sugar, let it soak for around 3 to 4 hours. Turn on the flame and cook the ginger in the sugar syrup. You can also mix the sugar, water and ginger and let it refrigerate overnight. But I'm a little lazy, so I'm going to skip that step and cook it immediately. Keep stirring. This candied ginger is not only tasty on the tongue, but it also has numerous health benefits. It prevents cough and cold, it aids digestion, and during winters, it's a little heaty, so enjoy it. The sugar syrup has come to a boil. As you can see, the sugar syrup is drying out. Keep scraping the sides of the pan. As you can see, the sugar is dried out and it's become a powder again. Turn off the flame and this ginger candy is ready. Remove it in a plate. I'm getting such a beautiful aroma of the ginger, and let it cool down completely. Once they cool down completely, fill it up in an airtight jar. This ginger candy can be stored in an airtight container for 4 to 6 months. Do try this, it's going to keep the cough and cold far, far away. Subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.